Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make money being a ghostwriter. If you're still struggling to make money, or if you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. When people talk about making money from writing articles, ghostwriting is the first thing that comes to their minds. This means writing articles for other people that they can use however they want and even putting their own name on as the author. Ghostwriters only get paid once for each article they write. But because article writers are always needed, this is a good way to make a living. But as you might guess, in this job, time really is money because you have to write as many articles as you can in the least amount of time. If you get paid the same amount per article, but can only write one article per hour, you want to make as much money as someone who can write 3 or 4 articles per hour. Clients who need article writers usually want short articles quickly and don't want to pay a lot of money for them. Because of this, you should be able to write articles quickly. You should try to finish an article from doing research to making sure it's correct in 15 minutes flat. This means that you can finish 4 articles per hour. If you write full time, you can make a good living from it. Plus, as you keep working, writing will get easier and faster, and you might be able to write as many as 7 or even 8 an hour. I found that I can take one idea for an article and write it in 7 different ways. This has helped me write more articles in less time because I only have to do research once for 7 articles. But when you first start writing articles, 15 minutes isn't enough for an article, so you need to practice. In a week, it will be easy for you to write 4 articles an hour, even if you have to do research and proofread. To do that, you need to be focused and give yourself more than 10 minutes for writing and more than a minute or 2 for research and proofreading. Time is money, so you don't have time to procrastinate or criticize your own writing. Working with such tight time limits can really help with that because you don't have time to do anything else but what you are supposed to be doing. And if you write 4 articles an hour, work 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, that's 100 articles a week. So it's easy to see how writing faster can help you make more money writing articles for other people. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos.